This bearing needs to be replaced, and I have a new bearing, but this one has a seal on both sides. The old one does not. This old one does not have a seal on both sides. Today I learned something new about this counter shaft gears. There's an axle here, and this one actually goes all the way through, and this thing just slides onto this thing, and then this spring here is actually over this axle. So the force from the engine, the torque from the engine, comes in here through this to this spline onto this what's it called, input cam dog, and then over to this output cam dog, and then through this spline in here, and then to the gears. Finally, I know why there's a spring here. The spring is here, and the input dog cam and the output dog cam are here. So the force comes through this axle, through all of these gears, out here, and to the spline. You can see inside the spring here. Then it goes to this dog cam, to this dog cam, and then onto the axle that these wheels are mounted to. That means that this is a damper for the gear shifting. I learn something new every day. I also found that there's an oil seal inside this, and to change that I need to open and take away this spring. I wonder if I really need to do that, because this oil seal that is inside the dog cam will not be subjected to the same wear as these will when taking the motor apart.